Railroad Preserver 2000 here, back again doing another video here in Cheyenne, and today I'm in Holiday Park here in Cheyenne. And although it's not 4014, I am going to get to see another big boy today. That's where you're going, buddy. Scare the death out of me, guys. Say hello to Big Boy 4004. So yeah, as I can see, from what I can see rather, they have done a complete cosmetic overhaul on this sucker. Oh yeah, a complete overhaul on this sucker. In terms of the paintwork anyway. And I'm going to set the tripod down and I'm going to pan up. Look at how freaking massive this sucker is. There's the That gives you an idea of just how freaking tall this thing is. From what I can tell, if I remember right, from what I read a few months back, they cosmetically restored this thing. I have to get far enough back so you guys can see the whole thing. Of course, I'm glad they at least restored this sucker cosmetically. I just wish the same thing could be said with 1242, which is another steam locomotive that's on display here in Cheyenne. It's a 460 built in 1890, I think, and they haven't done nothing to it. There's like a rust stain in the middle of the boiler on the top, and the boiler jacket's off of it. It's a shame, but I mean, it's not as well known as this beast, I can say that. Here's the back of the tender. Keeping the tripod with the camera attached close to my chest, so it's going to bounce up and down as I walk. So here's the other side of the engine, and I'm going to take more pictures on this side too. It may not be the best when it comes to lighting, but you never know. So we're on the engineer's side now. So this gives you an idea of what 4014 looks like now in terms of its restoration. It's beautiful. There's the boiler, there's the firebox. That's just how big the firebox is there. There's the boiler. What you're seeing now, because I'm so freaking close, is just a wall of steel basically. There's your sanders and brake shoes, and then this is the forward engine, and it looks like you'd think that's the actual metal color, but it's not. I don't think I think they painted that chrome, which is okay. I don't mind it by any means. But yes, 4014 is back here in Cheyenne, which is nice. There's the air compressors, so they've pretty much given this sucker one heck of a cosmetic overhaul, which is nice. I'm just amazed at how freaking massive this thing is. I mean, literally, I am not as tall as this thing, and besides, I remember when I was like back in Steamtown at Scranton, I was as tall as one of these thing's drive wheels. And yes, what I said a few days ago, this is the third big boy I've actually seen in person, but I'm counting 4014 as the fourth one because it's here in Cheyenne. So, yeah. There's some of the valves there. A little bit of rust here and there, but then again, you can't keep all the rust out. There's the stay bolts and riveting there on the firebox. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and I'll see y'all later.